Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today we've got a nice little Sunday afternoon blister break for us. Got about 40 packs of King's Court to go into. Haven't bought any blisters for a while, so I thought this would be a nice fun way of getting back into it. So without anything further, let's crack into some packs. An Avatar and a World Legacy Guard Dragon is our first holo. And next up, Wicked Eraser, Rivalry, Chao Feng of the Yang Zing. And we'll just set these back a little bit so we have some room to open them. And then we shall proceed. Cloud Castle, Utopic Future, Utopia, Queen's Knight, Hyper Galaxy. It's one of the cards that does also come in Collector's Rare in this set. And we've got another Eraser, Arcana Knight Joker, Spy is a decent reprint. Oh, my dearie me, here is a Freezey Wheezey treat. We get a Queen's Knight Collector's Rare. Excuse me while I sleeve this girl. And there we go. That's a nice little way to get into pack number 2 or 3. Maybe 4 actually, but Rescue Rabbit, Infinite Cards. Oh, and the Freezey Wheezey treats continue. A Utopic Future. And a Majestic Dragon, Utopia, Extra Joker, and a Fortune Tune is a super. Dowsing Fusion, Duality, Crystal Girl is a super. We started hot out of the blocks here on this opening with a couple of Freezey Wheezey treats. Face Card Fusion. And next up, another Yang Zing. And another Crystal Girl, pretty much the same pack. Ties of the Brethren. Thunder Speed Summon. And an Extra Joker. A Dreadroot, an Eraser, an Idol, and a Cloister. We've still got a good old stack of cards to go, and we've started well, so another World Legacy Guard Dragon. Oh nice, Evelzar Dolka. First one of those that we've pulled out of King's Court. Happy to see it. We've seen a lot of the stuff in this set, so I think we'll probably just skip to the good stuff. XYZ Hyper Cannon. From Infinite Cards to another Hyper Cannon. From Eternal Bond to a Tin Dangle. Thousand Eyes Idol and a Scrap Twin Dragon. Converging Wishes, and another Yang Zing. And a Utopic Future, and another Scrap Twin. Kind of lulled off a little bit since that early hype, but we've got plenty of packs to go with a Fortune Tune. Court of Cards. World Legacy Guard Dragon. Seen a few of those today. That is alright, because the Freezey Wheezey trees. Well, there, Burning Soul. Not bad. Another Ultra. From Cloud Castle to another World Legacy Guard Dragon. Now we go from Converging Wishes to Court of Cards. Duality leads into Joker's Wild. And Majestic Dragon to another Joker's Wild. Cloud Castle and another Hyper Cannon. A Future, a Yang Zing, another Guard Dragon, because we haven't pulled enough of those out of this opening. From an Avatar to another Hyper Cannon. We've seen a lot of those this episode as well. And from a Future to a Wild. Another Hyper Cannon, just in case we haven't got enough of those out of this opening. An Eraser and another Wild, plenty of those too. And we're probably on the last 6 or 7 packs here. A Magnet Induction. Majestic Dragon, Joker's Wild. I think that early Freezey Wheezey treat set us up, but I don't think we've seen too much down the road. Night Joker, Court of Cards. Something big on the back stretch, come on. That's not it. That's not it. No, it ain't it either. 3 packs left. Unexpected die. A very expected pull. I haven't seen a Queen's Knight in a while. And our last pack. Ties of the Brethren and a White Rose Cloister. So we did pretty well out of that. We got ourselves a Freezey Wheezey treat in a Queen's Knight Collector's Rare and a number F-Zero Utopic Future Draco. So I think we did alright out of our box opening. Give us a like, a comment, a subscribe, and share with your friends. And without anything further, this is IATD TV celebrating a couple of Freezey Wheezey treats and signing off. Peace out.